Guys, this is a video profile, experiment, and data gathering on the effect and signature of an instant coffee into my blood sugar, that's so-called blood glucose, in my program Weight Loss Management. Let's go for that. Hi, my name is Ferdinand and my friends call me Dandy. I'm a raw DIYer in electronics, designing my own circuit, writing my own programs, and building electronics project. I love my hobby. It's a powerful source of personal achievements, happiness, and self-fulfillment. Lately, I changed this hobby into something about health, fitness, and diet. And here is a series of videos I created, so go on, keep watching, and learn about this project. Thank you for watching. But before I'm going to start, let me make two things. This data gathering and its result is specific or individual to this guy over here. That guy over there, that will be the unit under test or UUT. And the second thing is that what is my condition right now? So I don't have breakfast, I don't have celery juice or any juice, I don't have tea, I don't have coffee, just the warm water. And now it's about almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to get my instant coffee right now, which I have it here. Alright, let's heat up the water. And while waiting for it, I just wanted to mention to you that any of these brand guys, I don't want to demonize it, or I don't want to say anything bad or good about it. And I'm going to choose one of these. I think I'm going to vote for the Nescafe, which is my favorite one actually. And this is normally my coffee bottle. And then I'm going to pour the coffee right now. Here it is. And then, well, as a part of the experimentation, I need to understand what is the baseline level of my blood sugar right now before I'm going to have the coffee. And I can easily acquire that making use of the Freestyle Libre. I mean the Freestyle Libre sensor that is connected with me right now. And there you go. I can easily acquire. The level right now is 7.1 millimole per liter. So this is the graph, a little bit stable as you can see, with the arrow saying it's stable in here. So I'm going to save this one and I'm going to put a note. Let's cheers guys for the coffee. Oh, it's really good. Just wanted to tell you right now, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So in the future and in sustainable way, I'm still going to make use of the glucometer, which is easy to use, and it's not expensive, it's really affordable, and it's always available in nearby supermarket or in the drugstore. So I might like to understand more about the difference reading between these two sensors or two gadgets, the Freestyle Libre sensor and my glucometer. And you get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what's the level? It's a 5.7 millimole per liter on the glucometer. And what was the reading a while ago? It's a 7.1. So that's the reading a while ago. Let me do that one then. And there you go. So, side by side reading is 5.7 in the glucometer and 7.1 in the Freestyle Libre sensor. I just take note that's a kind of data gathering and correlation between the two gadgets, and I'm going to take note of that in my notes, so I will not going to forget it. Guys, let's have a coffee once again. So now it's almost like about 30 minutes and we get 7.6 millimole per liter. Actually, it started to show the real response after like 35 minutes. So you can see from this graph, it's stable in here. It goes a little bit. That arrow, which means rising up rapidly, as you can see from the graph. Let's do that lively. And we got 8.2 millimole per liter, and what I can see from the graph right now, it goes up, then it's going down right now. So that's basically the response right now of the instant coffee, almost 1 hour after I consume it. To be specific, that is a 57, which is 2:57 in the afternoon. That is about almost 2 hours after I consume this Nescafe instant coffee. Of course, this is the Nescafe that I found it in here in my job site here in Shenzhen, China, being an overseas Filipino worker. Again, I'm using again the Freestyle Libre sensor, and the level right now is 7.1 millimole per liter. You can see that going up in here, and now is 7.1 after almost 2 hours of consuming that coffee. And I just wanted to add that while I'm doing this kind of experiment, I'm actually doing the 5S. 5S means sort, systemize, sanitize, standardize, and it's been like 3.5 hours since I consumed the instant coffee, and probably it's time to take the final reading. And let's see the one. And the reading is 6.6 millimole per liter, and the graphical representation basically is that from here about 1 o'clock and it goes up. That's the effect, the signature of the instant coffee into my blood. Oops. And currently right now the level is 6.6 millimole per liter, which is this one. And that's the level right now 3.5 hours later after consuming that instant coffee. And I think that's something that I can share it right now. And it's basically a good experiment while having my 5S inside my temporary apartment, while watching my movies. And this is basically a good data gathering. Now I understood what's the effect of the instant coffee specific to me, to this body, to this guy, the unit under test. Alright, I'm gonna make some kind of graphical representation on my Excel and put that into the PowerPoint, and then I'm going to share it to somebody else who is knowledgeable enough about the effect of coffee, that of course that instant coffee. And let's see what kind of conclusion I can able to derive it in here. All right, let me continue my movies, and just want to make it sure that I'm going to have all the data right now. And there you go, I got it. I got the whole capture in here. That's the one.